You're welcome to today's lesson. Today we shall be considering the question given in WAEC 2023 of Technical Drawing, question 2b, which says you should construct, you should draw the exhaust pipe gasket given the with the given view and showing all construction line. So the first thing is to draw our central line. Then the next thing is to which will meet at the point O. Then from the center we'll draw the circle whose radius is 44 millimeters. Then after doing that, we'll draw the second circle which the radius is 58 millimeters. So after doing that, we from the center O will measure the distance 72 millimeters as required in the diagram to get the point A and the point B. So after getting the center point at A and B, we'll now start drawing the circles at that point. The radius and the point A of the circle at the point A is 12.5 millimeters. So we'll draw the circle and repeat the same at B. Then at point B, then we'll also draw the external circle, which in the end will give us an arc with the radius 21. So after doing that, the next thing is to get the tangent of this radius 33. So how do we get that? At the point, let's sample from the point D. We'll get on that vertical line, we'll add the radius 33 to the radius 21. So from the point B, we'll get the point C on the vertical line there, which will altogether be 54 millimeters. So now after marking that point C, which is 54 millimeters from the point B, the next thing is to get the radius, which is 33, radius 33 at the point C. We'll now connect the circle whose radius is 58 and the other circle whose radius is 21. So we'll do it in such a way that they will meet at the required point. So the next thing is to repeat the same process since it is applicable at the point F, E and D. Then we'll now outline it and make it bold and label it. And here we have the exhaust pipe gasket. Thank you for watching this video. Ensure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.